Life goes up and it goes down.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Emilia. Happy birthday to you. Más, cómetelo, gorda.
Cómetelo, mamita. Cómetelo. Cómetelo. Don't touch me.
She wants to kiss you.
Cómetelo.
Is that what you wanted, baby? Was a fork? Mmm, delicious. She needed a fork. Are you kidding me right now? Oh, yeah?
Acostumbrado a comer.
Good?
Písalo. Písalo. Písalo.
Is it good?
Want a fork?
Oh my gosh, this girl. She is too much. All done?
Toma.
You don't like how it feels, baby? Are you dancing? Baila esa muchacha. Baila esa muchacha. Du, 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 du. Vamos a cantar la Vaca Lola. La Vaca Lola, la Vaca Lola. Tiene cabeza y tiene cola.
Ya sé. ¿Cómo hace la vaca Lola? ¿Cómo hace? Y hace.
Let's go ahead and get started with some party prep. I'm going to start with getting the cakes into the oven. By no means am I a baker, but I enjoy making things. I just feel like it comes from the heart, and no matter if it turns out perfect or not, it just matters that I made it. So I am going to use the Pillsbury cake mix, and I will be making 3 cakes. One of them will be white and chocolate. I'm going to try to make a cow design. We'll see how it turns out. And then the other one is just a yellow cake mix, and my fiance is turning 30, so we are also celebrating his birthday, and I'm going to be doing the 3-tier cake for his Dragon Ball Z cake. Please comment below if you personally make cakes for your family on their birthdays or if you buy a cake from the store, and either way is perfectly fine. Just curious to see what other families do.
Cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños querido, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños querido, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños querido, cumpleaños feliz.
Here I thought it was the cutest thing that my daughter wanted to help. She went ahead and was holding the mixer. I don't know if she just liked the way it felt, but it was cute that she wanted to help me.
Cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños querido, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños querido, cumpleaños feliz.
I have no idea what kind of things go in goodie bags. This is like my first party with goodie bags. I definitely think it is a learning curve, but I just grabbed a couple of things and I hope it's good enough. So today is the day. I did some party prep yesterday, but I am just going to go ahead and try to do this cow cake that I came up with in my head. I did do a 3 milks cake, so the cake is very, very moist, and the icing was not sticking as well as I had hoped. So it took me quite a while to do this, but I have to say it turned out pretty good, and I was very happy with the end result. I think planning a party is fun, but I also think that it is very stressful. I have no organization when it comes to planning a party, so I just fly by the seat of my pants. Nor do I have any skill to make things like come together and look pretty. But at the end of the day, what's most important is that my daughter was happy and we had a really good time with some friends and family. it is finally party time, and I am so happy that I grabbed some pictures beforehand because by the time we got to the party, it was just fun time, and I did not get as many pictures and videos as I had wanted to, but I'll go ahead and let you enjoy the party vlog. Emilia's turn. Where are you going?
Más.
Woo! Oh yeah!
Oh no, she already
Bravo!
And Emilia.
To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Woo! Say daddy's old. Happy birthday.
Emilia, dime beso.
I heard that you walked out again. I heard that you cried. Come this way, let me be a friend. My home's open wide. We can live here. We can die. There's nothing to fear if you try. If you keep believing. Even if you try